everyone, welcome again to my another vlog. For today, I'm going to show to you one of my makeup collections. So 5 months ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, I subscribed into IPSY. So it's going to be since I really love surprises, so I wanted to subscribe into something that will surprise me monthly, and one of that is the IPSY. So when I read some of the reviews from IPSY, it matches into what I want. So number one, to surprise me. Second is about just a little or smaller bottle of different types of makeups and cleansing. So if you could see in their website, so you need to answer some of the quizzes like the color of your skin, type of hair, what kind of makeup do you like, what kind of makeup do you usually wear. So based on all of those quizzes, then they'll be able to come up on what kind of bag that they're gonna be sending to your mail every month. And this cost only $12 something. So I'll just gonna put everything on the link below, the website and the prices for different kind of bags. So I chose those sample sizes, so it's not going to be that expensive, and so I have a lot of options. And if I like that kind of sample, then that's the time that I will buy the actual size. So overall, I received 5 bags. So here, and then here, one of the bag, that's so cute. And this one also, that's so cute. The bag itself, it's like worth it for a $12 month, a $12 per month. And this one also, this is one of my favorite. I really love anything that glitters. And this one, and look at behind the bag there. Isn't it so cute? And these are only like $12, including the shipping. So this is the latest bag that we have. I like the color, it matches the color of our home. And then each bag, they will also give you like you know, something, it describes something about what is inside the bag. So this one and this. And then this is my second one. This was from August. By the way, this is December. And I'm pretty sure this is the December bag. That one. And then this is from August. And this is what's inside from my August bag. That one. And then this was in November. And this was inside in November. And then when was this? October. And look at the back of that. That's why I did not throw, I don't want to throw this one because I don't know, I'm a hoarder. I admit I'm just a hoarder. I know I could have thrown this one, but I just chose not to. So I'm keeping it here. And then this is what's inside my October bag. And then this one is for, yeah, this, I think I showed this to you already, the December. Inside the December. And then again, this is the bag number 1, bag number 2, bag number 3, bag number 4, and bag number 5. So 12 times 5, let me do the math. I'll just gonna put it in the message below for the answer. So 5 of these bags, including the items on what's inside, and that is the total. And let me just show you one of this one. Oh, so I need to arrange all of this. Like this one, this is the mascara. That one, that's so cute. Then one of that, they also, so I'm gonna open one of the bags. So my daughter arranged this one. These are all for the eyes and the lips. So she arranged this one already. So I don't want to, oops, I don't want to disarrange this one because, you know, she gets mad. So this is from Elf. So that's one of the content from the bag. And then this one is from Item. So these are all included with the $12 that you're paying. So this is Item Brown Chow. Look at that. That's so cute. So just brush the eyebrows and then this one. So let me just finish this one. Also they include, I think, I'm not so sure. Okay, so this one they have Lottie. I don't know if this is the AM to PM retractable eyeliner. And then this one, Glam Brow. And this is for the, that's so cute. This is what I like with this one, because these are just very small, and then when you're done, then you could just throw it. Because usually I don't want to use the mascara for more than 6 months. I usually want to change it. Actually, you know what? This is not a mascara. This is, oh my goodness. I think this is for the eyebrows because it's like smaller for the eyes, for the eyebrows. I don't think this is. I think this is for here. And then, what else are here? So those are very worth it for a $12 in one bag. So the second bag is this one. So we're gonna open it. Oh, and this is, we missed the September. So this is the September bag. And then that's what's inside the September bag. It's more on the cleansing. Then look at this. Oh my gosh, you will love this one. They got this one, Ofra, and then this is highlighter, and oh my gosh, I love this. Look how small is that. And this is for, oh wow, so you could put this one for retouch whenever you go to the party and you want to retouch for your eye. Eyeshadow, that one, and look how cute that is. Very small. Again, that's still part of the $12. And they have Auto Balm Day to Night, and this is Shadows on the Go. It says Shadows on the Go. So I like this one also. It's like coral color or something. So we're done for, so again, my daughter arranged this one according to her needs. So these are all for like for the face. And let's see what's next. Oh, these are all for the, so this is another, so this is her bag for all of the cleansing. So this one, this is, I don't even know how to pronounce that one. That one, that's part of the bag. And then another one, this one. These are all cleanser, moisturizer, This is Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Face Mask. Oh, I should try this tonight. So that one. And then this one, this is Day Cream. So I don't know if it has SPF in here, but it says Day Cream. Apply in small circular motion in the morning after cleansing and toning. So moisturizer probably. So if you know what's the purpose of this, please comment down below, so I'll know what to do with all of this cleansing stuff. Oh, the Professional Hydrate Primer. Look at how small is that. Look, that one. That's so cute. I've never used this one, so if you know if you've used one of this item, please comment down below, so I will start using this one. And this one, it has SPF 50. So they also gave us, so they also have brushes in the bags. So I think these are the only brushes that that were included in the bag. So one of that is, I know the brand is, I don't know, I hope I pronounce it right, Moda. That's the brush. That's again still part of the $12 bag each month. And then there's Sova Beauty 180. So they also have this one, the Superhero. And this is what's inside in there. This is the mascara, I'm sure. And so they also let me choose on what I would like to add on into my December bag. And my daughter really wanted to try on the face mask, so I ordered this one. So I chose this one as a part of my December bag. So they have, I think, 2 of the face masks, and my daughter already used the other one, so that's part of the bag. And they also gave me an option if I would like to add on the actual size, and I chose this one. It's the Desert Sunset Pacifica brand. That's Pacifica Desert Sunset. So it's, and then it has mirror in there, so it's very handy. And that's my very handy. You could just bring it along with you. And then they have Hanale lip treatment. It's clear lip treatment. There you go. I'm so excited for my January bag. So they said they already shipped my January bag, and I just click on surprise me. I did not choose anything on the bag, so it will surprise me for January. So this one is another Murad. It is Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. It's like, this is like a facial cleanser, so I don't know if my daughter is already using this one, but it seems like she is using it, because like, and then this one, it's called Sunkissed From Dawn to Dusk Eyeshadow Collection. So I think that's all for my 5 bags. So I'm going to collect another 5 sets of IPSY bags, and then I'm going to upload again another video. So it's going to be another full of surprises for makeup. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to subscribe from IPSY, I'm going to include the link below, and then you just have to answer their questions and then provide your credit card details, and you have the option to discontinue your subscription, and you also have the option to pause for your subscription. Let's say for the month of December and January, you don't want to accept bags, so you could just go back into the website and then edit on your preferences. Instead of, I think you just have to click on pause for 2 months or 3 months, depending on how many months you don't want to get the bag, and they're not gonna bill you for that. And if ever you don't wanna, you're done with the collection, if you're satisfied already, you have the option to discontinue the subscription anytime. So I hope you liked the video, and this bag, IPSY bag, I am very satisfied. I am happy. I'm surprised every month, and I will still continue with my collection probably for 2021. I hope they will still continue to surprise me with the items from the bag. So I'll see you later. Thank you for watching my video. So 5 months ago,